Hi all and welcome to this video. Now today I want to show you a quick exercise that you can do in your sketchbook to understand all your fine liner pens. It's a really lovely relaxing exercise, but it also works as a reference guide for the marks that your different fine liner pens will make. Now I've got quite a lot of different fine liner pens. I've got lots of different brands. The three that I've been experimenting with are the Derwent Graphic Line Maker, the Unipin fine liner pens, and the Pigma Micron pens. And they all come with different numbers on them, and that refers to how big the pen nib is at the end. The smaller the number, the finer the line, the bigger the number, the thicker the line. So this is a 0.2 fine liner pen, the Unipin one. So that is this one here. And what is a good thing to do is to write down the name of whatever pen it is that you're using, write down the thickness, and then carry out a number of marks. And what I'd also recommend is when you're doing this, try and find all of the pens that you've got in that flavour. Go from smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest, whatever works for you, and make the same series of marks a number of times over in the different pens. So for example, I've picked up my 0.2 Unipin fine liner, so let me work over here. So I'm going to write Unipin so that I know that that's this particular pen, and I'm going to write 0.2 so again I know which thickness of pen it is. Now I'm just going to experiment with those little circles, some little arch shapes, and again you can make whatever marks that you want. I just created a series of different marks and lines to see exactly what these pens can do. Little dashes are good to do, and then I did a little pattern at the end. Why not? Just for fun. But you can do whatever marks you want. You could think of sort of cross-hatching, swirly whirlies, but just do a series of marks in that pen, but do the same series of marks in all of the different pens that you have available. Very often these pens come in lovely sets where you can buy 3 or 5 or 8 of them. So if you do buy a pack of pens or a set of pens, do this little exercise. Write down the pen, carry out a series of marks, and it really gives you a great understanding for what marks those pens make. So when you come to do a sketch, you come to do a drawing in your sketchbook, you can almost have this as a little table that you refer to and go, right, yep, I want that 0.2, that's the one. And then you go off and you use that pen and you get sketching. So try it out. Grab yourself a series of your fine liner pens, make a number of marks, and create yourself a reference table in your sketchbook for your fine liner pens. It's also a wonderfully relaxing and mindful exercise to do. I hope that's useful.